Another day, another boat party. First of all, Merry Christmas. I'm super excited. This is our second boat party and this time we are on a bigger boat. We are fully booked. We have 70 people. But look at this weather right now. Doesn't look good. And on top we have some problems with the speakers. So we tried to connect our DJ equipment with the inbuilt speakers of the boat. But like there is no bass, there's nothing. So luckily one of the DJs who's playing today, because we have 4 DJs this event, is bringing his speakers now. So we try to make it on time, but it's now super sharp. Oh yeah, can you do this again? Jump around. Yeah. Okay, so let's check out the DJ setup. So for this event we have an RX2, which is pretty nice, one of my favorite controllers. And we're still waiting for the speakers. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Okay, finally we have our speaker, and it's big. I love it. So how do you feel, huh?
Great, man. Ready to get his bike started.
Look, I talked to the camera, not to you. Yeah. She is the organizer, she is the boss.
Thank you for coming!
Alright, we are on the sea now. I don't know if you can hear me. It's good. Everyone's standing like in a line. It's getting really interesting. People start dancing. We just arrived in this beautiful area here with many boats in my background. I really like it. And right now, Little Fox is playing. And I love the music. He has a lot of energy. Let's check this out.
Not bad.
Yeah. Like a pro.
Woohoo! Rock and roll, baby!
Guys, always use sunscreen. Safety first. So we have a boat party every month in Pattaya. And if you're interested, text me on Instagram. I will give you any updates about upcoming events. I'm gonna play, I'm the last one who plays today. Full energy, full power, full alcohol. Let's go. Look at this.
It's very good. Yes, it's very good.
Yeah, I'm about to play pretty soon. Okay, so the party is over. I think it was quite successful. What do you think? I liked him really much. He was really good. Really, really good. A good performer. Like I am actually. I loved it. So if you're interested to upcoming boat party, follow me on Instagram every month, once at a time. Let's go.